Holden Colorado 2014. This is the 2.8 engine vehicle and it's having some lighting issues. So the left hand headlight is out, so the low beam. Then on the back we have a tail light out, and on the front we also have a park light out. I'm going to be showing you in this video what the simple fix is and how I done some quick checks to diagnose that. Okay, so first of all, I know it's not the globes. Somebody else was already in there and replaced bulbs, so we can rule that out. I can easily double check that by checking some powers going down to it as well. But what I have done to find this really quickly, I didn't have any fuse layouts except for what was on the back of the box under the bonnet, and I'm going to be showing you, using my power probe, how quick and simple it is to find a blown fuse, for example, which was the cause of this fault. So with my power probe here, I can easily check some fuses like in here. So I'm using this 20 amp as a test just to see if this brings all the lights back to action. And that is it. That's how I quickly found a blown fuse using the power probe without any layouts or any further information. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.